Certified by WQA to remove 99% lead. Removes 96% mercury and 92% of certain pesticides. Reduces chlorine, taste and odor, and more. Package weight of the product, 2.14 pounds. While tap water may look clean, lead can get into your water through leaching lead service lines, or from lead contained in household plumbing. PUR provides lead filtration among its pitchers and filters certified to reduce lead, bringing you a pitcher that removes 99% of lead and reduces many other contaminants. This pack includes 5 PUR pitcher replacement filters for lead reduction in water. Top reviews from the United States. Good stuff. These arrived well packaged and quickly. I've been using this pitcher and filter for several years and it seems to work best for me. The filters are reasonably priced and they clean the water quite well. There is no aftertaste or off-taste, the water is clean and pure. The filters work fairly quickly, the pitcher holds several glasses of water, and I do refill it a couple times per day as I drink a lot of water.